And we are live. Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne,
My name is Manish.
and today, Ethereum co founder and Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson said Dogecoin has potential for real world use if improved.
Look back.
So let's see.
Yeah.
The Ethereum co founder hopes. Oh my god, bro.
Hold on. Hold on. How's it?
I don't know. Today,
Is it?
we always have this. Just give us a second, guys. It's a mystery that I've been trying to solve for many. We cannot solve this. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah. I put back my speaker.
Yeah, put back a speaker. So the Ethereum co-founder hopes Elon Musk calls to pick up the meme token will start off its collapse. Dogecoin was trading at 9% lower at 24 cents on Monday, but it's up about 5,164 this year. My hope is that a compromise can be made where real developers come in and they start working on Dogecoin to create some use of utility for it. So at least it has a value on the floor and it won't collapse. He predicted that it will take about 2 to 3 years of Dogecoin to be able to function as a modern cryptocurrency. Dogecoin popularity has surged this year as influencers, including Musk, promoted the theme-based cryptocurrency on Twitter. Dogecoin has reached a market cap of 32 billion, making it the sixth largest cryptocurrency despite undergoing little development since its inception in 2013. Hoskinson warned that mass influence over Dogecoin value could end up significantly hurting retail investors unless its code base is improved. So, Manish, tell me, what do you
I
think?
have my sentiments attached to Dodge because I put my most of my investment in Dodge initially. So obviously my sentiments and my emotions with Dodge, and I have seen couple of tweets from Elon Musk as well, uh, where he was working with developers to improve the Bitcoin, the Dogecoin, the protocols and the improvement areas, uh, probably a bug fix and all those. So yeah, I'm expecting. I'm not going to sell it soon. I probably wait for a couple of years. It's my long term investment on a Dodge, so I'm looking forward for a broader acceptance. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully we get to resolve that
Yeah.
in terms of upgrading it, making a real cryptocurrency. But my suspicious is that maybe because there's infinite supply of the US dollars, Dogecoin might want to model that, where you
Yeah.
can just
And
continuously print the US dollars, but you can also have unlimited supplies with Dogecoin.
yeah, obviously they have to means there should be some strategies on managing the supply and demands.
Right.
Yeah,
So, in
probably.
another news,
Yep.
major currencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin plummeted as China widens crackdown. Bitcoin fell around 9% early on Monday morning after Chinese officials targeted Bitcoin mines in key provinces of Sichuan, part of the wider crackdown on the process through which computers solving complex problems becomes a huge consumes a lot of electricity. China is the source of the majority of the world's cryptocurrency, and in a 2020 study found the account nearly hit about 80% of the global Bitcoin's operation, and it's the second most intensive mining region. Local authorities claim the latest crackdown has cut the country's Bitcoin production by more than 90%, according to the state media of Global Times. The move seems to be due to a sharp decline in Bitcoin's hash rate and computer power used to mine the process of Bitcoin transactions. The
Mm.
fall caused Bitcoin to drop to its lowest value in nearly 2 weeks, falling below 33,000 in less than 12 days. Other major currencies, which often mirror Bitcoin's movement, also fell on Monday morning. Cardano and Dogecoin all losing between 5 to 6%. So, Manish.
Yeah. So we in afternoon we were having a meeting with couple of our friends, like in evening. There's one point where your friend has highlighted that mining is something that it's not sustainable because of this the consumptions of electricities. But over the period of times, if you see, the mining process has been redefined. Earlier with the huge computers where the power consumption was even high, whereas now we have a very small GPUs to do a mining. So over the period of times, this process is get refined and get better. And I hope with the new protocols, I hope it's going to be even much better in terms of mining. Yeah.
Right. Jim Cramer, in another news, sold almost all his bitcoins in fear of China over crypto. China had for years been a home to more than half the world's mining capacity, and the miners played a very crucial role in Bitcoin's ecosystem, using high powered computers to verify transactions across decentralized blockchain. And they are get rewarded as they mine. In a separate news, Steve Cohen, a billionaire, gets into crypto. He said that he is fully converted. He shared his view on cryptocurrency in an interview last week, emphasizing that he has finally decided that he has to get into the game. The billionaire CEO has done some deep dive into crypto, and he has sold himself on the idea of the blockchain. He said, I have an old saying at the poker table: you got to pay to learn. There is no other way around it. You can talk all you want, but you've got to get in the game. However, the CEO is not keen on Bitcoin. He said, forget Bitcoin. I don't care about Bitcoin. I care more about the technology behind the blockchain and how transformational it is and how disruptive it can become. The billionaire noted that cryptocurrency is an example of something he wants to look forward and take some risks. He concluded, I may look foolish initially, but you size it accordingly. Learn the game, and when you are confident, then take it to the next level. Really nice
Yes,
statement, Manish.
exactly.
Really nice
So
statement.
exactly, this is what even we were passionate about, right? Leave about the money what we are earning it. We are enjoying the technologies what we are learning in terms of cryptos. That's makes us something that we are passionate about. The technology which is involved in the cryptos. That's one thing. And second thing is, yes, what he's talk about the being in a game. So those who are resisting in being part of this crypto journey, I think they are losing something. This is what I would say from my side. The fastest you
Right,
start accepting it, the fastest you start adopting it, it'll be good for you.
right. So that's all I have in the news, Manish. Over to you.
Yep. So I'm going to share some interesting fact. I'll share some couple of slides.
So while
Uh,
Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like this channel, smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you.
yes. Okay. So everyone talks about whale. What is this whale? So let's talk about some seafoods today. Okay, rank of Bitcoin holders. Guys, you might have heard about whale. What is whale? Yeah, the person who hold one Bitcoin, we call it as a shrimp. Guys, I hope this seafood part is interesting for you guys. And the crab, a person who's holding 1 to 10. I think it's the snippet is much more clear than I don't think so. I need to explain further. By seeing the snippet, you'll come to know what exactly he's talking about. So if you hold 1,000 bitcoins, that means you consider as a whale. All right. Okay. I'll move to another interesting fact. All right. Since the market is in dip, I want to share this information to you guys. The three biggest mistake we as an part of crypto investors do it very frequently. I think in our previous videos also we have covered this many times without any proper knowledge. We are started investing it. That's one point. Uh, when we have a money, we don't think about the market bull and bear time. We just start investing and we buy it when it's in high. That one thing which you have to avoid doing it. And no diversifications. Spread your risk by diversing your portfolio. Like some people are interested in just meme coins and they put all their money in a meme coins. But what I would recommend and what we would recommend it, you just diversify your portfolios across all the crypto profiles. Okay, I'll move to another slide. Yes. And some of the wallets I want to explain, people might be thinking, people might go through different wallets, but I don't think so. People are aware what kind of wallets are available to hold your cryptos. The number one is a hardware wallet, where it's your personalized wallet where you keep all your cryptos. Second one is a software wallet. Even your Binance has a software versions where you can download the software and install it in your laptop or in your desktop. Then you have an online wallet of Binance where you just log into a web portal and keep your informations ready. And then the fourth one is very less popular, which is paper wallet. You just keep your public and private keys in a piece of paper, and when there is a need, you just scan the code and start using it. The drawback of this, you should not lose this wallet. Yeah, that's all I have it, Wayne. What you?
Okay, thanks Manish for sharing that. So we will move on to the crypto today, guys. Is a bit it looks quite bad today. Extreme fear, we are down to 10. I know in a separate channel, someone like George would recommend dollar cost average purchase. However, in this landslide, you don't know where is the dip, and that's why we use kind of a B-roll. A Bollinger method which I shared. You can actually check out our YouTube or Facebook to actually watch that video. And as I'm looking now with my phone, I can see that it's currently oversold. So that is something that and the volume actually is very high. There's a lot of seller that is coming into the market. And when is a good time to buy? Again, I think I had some friends who asked me that they have certain capital today and they want to know where to park their money. We always talk about the setting your portfolio right? 50% Bitcoin, and then the remaining 50% you actually divide into coins like Cardano, XRP, VET is also a good company to take, Solana, and then the other remaining maybe about 10 to 15% get into Dodge and those Shiba coins if you are you like memes, and that portfolio will actually help you to kind of hedge against each other. To be honest, we haven't found the right balance in the portfolio because this crypto space to us is very volatile, and that's why we always advise that this channel is more on education. At least we share the news, you know about the trends. Manish covers a lot of the how to's, so that you get knowledge, as what Manish has pointed out. So when we look at the market today, it's we are actually the same as what we were in the last, I think May, sometime May 30th, we were at 10, right? 10. And this is partly due to the fear and uncertainty and doubt that is coming into the marketplace with the death cross, with the IMF not helping, with the China miners being extradited out of the country. So all of this just fuels that fire, and it becomes cheaper for us to get in. So don't reach the stage where where at the 10,000 mark, we said that Bitcoin was very expensive, and then it's 6x after that. So you don't want to miss out on that. And I'm not coming from a fear of missing out component, but at least if you understand Bitcoin as the technology and what is actually intended to do, then you are actually supporting that technology, not so much of the news and stories about Bitcoin. In the stock market, slightly dropped from the previous high of 20. So this will actually fluctuate. Why it dropped? Most likely because the US dollars is always hedged against Bitcoin. So when Bitcoins decline, the US dollars rise, and naturally there's that surplus. I mean, we look at large volume. There's millions of dollars. So that gives a sense of certainty, right? We move over to the top 10 currencies. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin was down 7.39. Ethereum was down 7.73. USDT is slightly up by 0.03. BNB coins is down by 19.14. Cardano is down by 17.49. XRP is down by 18.65. USD is slightly up by 0.03. Dogecoin is down by 19.68. Polkadot is also down by 19.64, and BUSD is slightly up by 0.02. I think Uniswap just slightly lost in terms of the market cap. That's why it dropped from 10th place to 11. And Solana, yeah, Solana is down 23. And yeah, so keep an eye, because you don't want to bet against the flow, right? We are moving very closely to a kind of a prediction that Kiyosaki mentioned on the Bitcoin going to $24,000, right? So we're only 5K away. So let's see what happens. On the technicals, you can actually see we are breaking the 29 30. We anticipated that there was a support level for 30, right? So look at the last support level somewhere here. We are doing at the 29,000. So if it breaks, we have large volume of sellers coming in. The RSI also leaves room for more downturn. It's currently oversold. Will the price get pumped up? That is yet to be seen. Let's check out the weekly. I'm just curious what's happening on the weekly. We are still on the high with the support again levels at about 20, between 29 to 30. And we are 3 days away from the futures of Bitcoin. So that is something that we will see what happens after this Sunday, right? So 25th will be, I think 25th is a Friday, if I'm not mistaken. 25th is a Friday, and Sunday will be the 27th. So if you are buying Bitcoin, just wait after Sunday. We'll see what happens after that. And guys, don't forget to support our channel. There's root zones, and we are just working on some of the merchandise.
Yeah,
So Manish, that's all I have today.
that's all I have it as well.
Okay. So guys, with that, we'll see you same time, same channel.
And if you have any further questions, please let us know.